everyone, welcome to Beautiful Naturally, and in today's video I'm going to talk about this face oil that I have been using for last 2-3 months, and the results are really good. My face look more even tone and there is a natural glow on my face. So I'm really happy to share this recipe with you because I'm very happy with the result. So I tried this oil on my face for 2 months and I am still continuing it, and I will continue it. And this is very effective oil, and it is non-greasy, and it will not give you a oily look on your face. It is absorbed very quickly, so it will act as moisturizer. It will remove the wrinkle, it will help keep the blemishes away, it will make your skin even tone. So before jumping into the ingredient, I want to talk about a little bit about this oil. So I have made this oil using essential oil. Essential oils are basically very concentrated oil, and they are, you can say, they are the essence of the plant or the tree. They are extremely powerful and extremely effective, and they should never be applied neat on your skin. And they are always diluted with other oil which we call carrier oil, because they carry this essential oil along with them, and then you can apply safely on your skin. I have made 2 slides which I have put in the video, which you will see ahead, which will describe about little bit about the carrier oil, like the type of oil for different kind of skin. Second slide is about the dilution of essential oil. Essential oil must be diluted with other carrier oil, and there is a certain quantity that you can add to dilute this essential oil. So like with every 5 ml you can add up to 25 drop of essential oil. Like if you are taking 5 ml of coconut oil, then you can add maximum 25 drop of essential oil. Please don't use this face oil for kids, this is for adults. Other thing is that before making this oil, do a patch test on your skin whether the essential oil suits you or not. If it doesn't suit you, if it give you any allergic reaction, then please don't use it. Here is the list of ingredients. So first I have mentioned the carrier oil and then the essential oil, and in this chart I have mentioned the different kind of oil for different type of skin, so you can choose accordingly. And here is the dilution chart. So for making this face oil, I am using 3 carrier oil. The first one is jojoba oil, then rosehip oil, and then the third one is argan oil. And then I'm going to use 6 essential oil to boost its power. So it's up to you whether you want to use 1 oil or 2 oil or 3 oil, or the number of essential oil depending upon your skin. So I suggest you that first you make 30 ml of this oil. So to make 30 ml, I'm going to use 10 ml of jojoba oil, 10 ml of rosehip oil, and 5 ml of argan oil, and then so this will make 25 ml. And then with every 10 ml you can add 10 to 15 drop of essential oil. So I'm going to use again 25 to 30 drops of essential oil. So first I'm going to use frankincense essential oil, and it is very good to remove scar and to even the skin tone. So I'm going to add 10 drop of this essential oil, and then for next 10 drop I'm going to divide it between geranium and carrot seed oil. So carrot seed oil is very good to remove wrinkle and remove fine line from the skin, and it is a wrinkle remover. So I'm going to add 5 drop of this, and now I'm going to add 5 drop of geranium oil, which has moisturizing properties, so it will help to moisturize the skin. So next I'm going to add lavender oil and lemon oil. So I'm going to use lavender oil because the carrot seed essential oil has very unpleasant smell. So to cancel the smell, I'm going to add just 4 drop of this lavender oil. And then I'm going to use 3 drop of lemon oil, which is very good to remove dark spot and keep the skin even tone. And now mix this oil very well and store it in a dark color bottle. So now this oil is ready to go on your face. So you can use this oil alone, or you can mix few drops of this oil into your favorite cream or your moisturizer. So add few drops of this oil to your favorite moisturizer and apply along with your cream. So I'm finding this oil very useful and very effective, and I want you to try this out and tell me how you find it. This was all about this face oil. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. Have a nice day.